Before I continue discussing the markets, please take this moment now with helping me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe. Click this bell. Click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Next, click the thumbs up button every time you watch my videos. Okay, let's continue with the view of the markets. Welcome to another video of Winning Wall Street's Money. It's 11:26 a.m. New York time. In this video, I'm going to discuss technical stocks, the most popular ones, the ones that are the most heavily weighted traded. But first, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and comment something awesome down below. I appreciate it. Thank you. So there's some stock phrases. Maybe you heard of one or more of them, also called acronyms. Faang, Foxtrot Alpha Alpha November Golf. Faang stocks. That's the most well-known ones. The first one is Facebook. The second one is Amazon. Third one is Apple. Fourth one is Netflix. Fifth one is Alphabet, which is stock symbol Google. Yep. And then there's the other phrase you might have heard of, Batman stocks. So I'm going to go over these stocks. These grids, I have 9 grids here. Each grid is set for the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame means each candle is a week. Today's a short trading week because tomorrow the equity markets are closed. So today at 4 p.m., this candle will be done, but it won't be a full week. So first, we're looking at Apple. Apple is the largest weighted stock in the Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500. So when it moves, its value has a big impact on the underlying indexes. It's also in the Dow Jones. Note, the Dow Jones index and the Nasdaq 100 index are part of the S&P 500 index. Here we go, looking at a weekly time frame. This is 1 year. Each candle is a week. The all-time high for Apple was back here. This we are now. It is trending. It's no longer in a consolidation phase. It's in a trend phase, making higher highs, higher lows. Gunning for that swing high, yellow horizontal line. It's a swing high, and this is the high for the year. Microsoft, Mike, Sierra, Foxtrot, Tango. Here's the high for the year, that yellow horizontal line, and it's trending. It broke out of a consolidation phase. It's having resistance at that 225 level. Yes, this is also a swing high, and this is the highest one for the year. Amazon, Alpha Mike November. Sorry, Alpha Mike Zulu November. Here's the high for the year. Right there, I have the swing high labeled. And for the day, for the week, it's an inside candle. It means indecision. Inside candle means the high and low, not above or below the prior week. Plus, it's inside consolidation. It is not trending. It's weaker than first 2 stocks I showed you. It's not in the leadership row right now. Facebook, Foxtrot, Bravo. Here's the high for the year. It's red for the day versus the other candles were not red. It's also trending down, and it's in a consolidation phase. It's not a leader. That still does not mean it's not heavily traded. Google. Here's the high for the year. Consolidation. It broke below the consolidation. It's trending down. It's green for the week, but trending down. Tesla. Tango, Sierra, Lima, Alpha. The high for the year was last week. This week is an inside candle, indecision. It's in a consolidation. It was trending, and now it's in a consolidation. November, Victor, Delta, Alpha. The high for the year, right there. And it's in a consolidation phase, not the leadership role. Netflix, high for the year, here. Inside candle for the week. Excuse me. Sorry. Plus, it's inside consolidation. Alibaba, Bravo, Alpha, high for the year. For the week, red, trending down, Huge trading range for the week. Also was a huge trading range back here for that week. This is a gap, and it's gone down to fill that gap. If you see my past videos, I shared with you this stock was under distribution. Smart money was selling it. I mentioned that back here when this was getting weakness up here. And then when we had this huge candle break this key demand zone, that was another signal not to be long. So if you bought anytime in this range plus today, you're on the wrong side of the trade. If you did not close the trade back in these time frames, that's not best money management. It was going against you. It was no longer a leader. Let's look at the higher time frame. The higher time frame is each candle will be a month. Start with the apple. Here we go. The month's not over yet, but soon will be. The bigger picture, we're in a consolidation phase up here. This is a 5-year duration, and this year we're at the all-time highs, but it's in a consolidation. Microsoft for 5 years. This year's all-time high, and it's in a consolidation. Huge trading ranges. Yeah, for the month, inside candle indecision. Amazon, also for the month, inside candle indecision, and it's building a wedge. It's getting tighter. Higher lows and lower highs, that's building a wedge. And that wedge is a coil, and it's going to break out one way or the other, and that would be a new trend. Facebook, also all-time highs for the past 5 years. Look at that inside candle indecision. Also building a wedge. Google, all-time high for the 5 years. As well, this month made an all-time high for the year here. Took out that swing high. That yellow horizontal line was a swing high. Took it out, rejected it, went back in below it. Tesla, past 5 years, we hit the all-time high. Took out that swing high of last month. November, Victor, Delta Alpha, in a consolidation phase. Here's the all-time high several months ago. Tested it last month, rejected it, never even took it out. And now we're in an inside candle, indecision. It's a solid body. That means it's red. Indecision. Netflix. This is a consolidation also. Here was a swing high. That month, went up that month, rejected it. Huge sell-off. This is a supply zone, and sellers are up here. This is a demand zone. Bravo Alpha, Bravo Alpha. There was the all-time high. And for the past 2 months, it's been in distribution. Smart money has been selling it. If you are buying in these 2 months, you are on the wrong side of the trade. If you've been holding it, you're on the wrong side of the trade. Bad money management. Let's go to the sectors. S&P 500 has 11 sectors. The top 3 sectors is technology. It's almost 21% of the S&P 500. The second biggest sector is healthcare. It's almost 15%. And then the third largest sector is financials. It's 13.7% of the S&P 500. So here we go. The technology sector. This grid is for 1 year, and each candle is a week. So we're hitting all-time highs for the year. Took out the swing high there. Strong sector. X-ray, Lima, Victor, in a consolidation phase. Not trending. That is the healthcare. X-ray, Lima, Foxtrot, financials. It's in a consolidation phase. All-time high was way back there. X-ray, Lima, Yankee, consumer discretionary. All-time high this year. Look at that. Add that consolidation back in. X-ray, Lima, Charlie, consumer communication services, in a consolidation and selling off right there. Those little dodgies, actually 3 of them. See this tiny little body, that horizontal line, and the big shadows on top and bottom. Yeah, distribution looks like smart money is selling. Communication services. I would start looking at the individual stocks in there and look for the weakest one and consider to short that. X-ray, Lima, India, industries, consolidation phase, broke below it. Smart money selling. X-ray Lima Papa, consumer staples, huge down that week. Small bodies running up, filled to take out that swing high. Smart money doing distribution. And then this week, gap down. Yeah, see if it goes lower, but looks like smart money was selling distribution. Smart money, institutional money, means people that are managing other people's money. X-ray Lima Echo. That is the energy sector. Yeah, it's been very bad for the year. There's a high for the year, and it's rolling over even further down. X-ray Lima Uniform. Utilities also all-time high was earlier this year, and it's broke below outside that consolidation phase. Smart money is selling. It's going down. Excuse me. X-ray Lima Romeo Echo. Real estate. Here is the high for the year. Look at this. We're trending down inside this consolidation again. X-ray Lima Bravo. Materials all-time high for the year is here. It's in a consolidation phase. Indecision right now for this week. And we're end right there almost. See if we could just look at one more maybe. Yep, let's look at the stock softwares on the weekly. Here we go with Oracle. Again, this is a weekly, 1 year, each candle's a week. Oracle, last week broke out of that swing high, made a higher high this week, strong stock. Ready to discuss Microsoft. Whiskey Oscar Romeo Kilo for the year, all-time high there, smaller bodies. Might be distribution there. I'd be real curious to see if it's going to roll over. All the smart money might have sold here. And now we'll see what happens. Interesting. Uber for the year, there's an all-time high. It's in a consolidation phase, building still in case pattern higher high. Lyft, all-time high for the year was much earlier, and now it's in a consolidation phase. And the last, BlackBerry, all-time high for the year was there, and it's rolling over the trend phase down. Okay, we're end here. If you like this market information I've shared and want to learn more with greater detail, step-by-step training, I have a Patreon page. I share trade ideas for earning monthly income. Below in the description box, click Show More. Scroll down. This link here, click on it. Take you here to my Patreon page. Select a membership and join. Then you have access to unlock my posts.